Hey guys, welcome back. I'll tell you what, we got a good one today. We're doing something different. I've set up a track and we are gonna see if bullets have enough wind velocity to make it to where it can push a car down a track. It's a pretty cool idea. I hope it works. Well, let's find out together. So you can see I have these two platforms right here and I made them into like a little track. And we're gonna set cars on both sides and I'm gonna take turns taking shots over top of them without hitting them to see if it has enough force to push them down the track. Coming out of the armory today, we got this wonderful Marlin 3030 going cowboy on them. We'll see what this can bring to the table. Next, we got this Core 15 AR-15 shooting 223 and 5.56. We'll see if this has a little bit more wind velocity power than 3030. Let's find out. Meet our wonderful contestants today. Let's see, write down in the comments and tell me which one of these do you think will be pushed further down the track. Start off first with the AR-15. Let's see what it does. Well, I don't know exactly what happened, but as you can see, the front tire just blew up. I guess the Hummer is out for the count, because all we have is the rubber tire. Well, I didn't think that was going to happen. We got a new contestant, same one, same gun, AR-15. We'll see what happens this time. Well, that time I hit the track. So maybe I either need to aim a little bit higher or my scope's off or I'm just aiming right at the car. But we're gonna try it again. And this car blew up. So that's two contestants down. See if we can do it again, and this time, see if we can at least keep the contestant alive. We're gonna switch it up this time, not only tracks, but also calibers. We got the 3030 Marlin right here. Let's see if this does a little bit better. I'm gonna aim a little bit higher. On both those attempts, I know that I was shooting directly above it with, I mean, like a hair fracture of it, barely even tapping it. And it still didn't push it. So I'm starting to think maybe bullets are too fast to where it doesn't create enough wind velocity to push something. We're gonna try it a couple more times, and if not, since this bulldozer has such a big bucket, I'm gonna shoot the bucket and give it a little push. You know, that might be a little fun. We'll see what happens. Next contestant, we got the old John Deere, and we're pulling back at the AR-15. Let's see what happens this time around. Hopefully better luck. Okay guys, you gotta check this one out, because instead of hitting above it, I hit directly on the dead center. It pushed it, technically, hey, but not what I wanted. So as you can see, we got a nice hole dead center of the tractor, and I technically pushed it, but as you can see, it hit the tractor and it hit the sidewall right here. So the bullet curved as soon as it hit on the tractor. Luckily it didn't hit my gun case or my GoPro, but other than that, we're all clear. Now this is our last contestant. We got the NASCAR with the good wrench on there. I'll tell you what. We're pulling back out the 3030 because the AR, every single time I've shot with that, we've demolished every single contestant, and this one hasn't. So we're pulling this one back out to see if it can do what we want it to do. Now for this attempt, as promised, I'm gonna shoot directly on the back of the bulldozer with this here 30-30, and we're just gonna give it a push, because clearly it doesn't work. I'm gonna leave that last clip in there be missing, because it'll be a good laugh for my friend Hunter. There you go, Hunter. Take your laugh, boy. I missed. Get a good chuckle. Well, I hit it. Direct hit right there. Tell you, that's some strong metal, steel, whatever the heck they put on these Tonka toys. Blew the other piece all the way over here. And we got the wheels right here. Thing just blew up, man. So I guess you can technically say that one got pushed. I guess a piece of metal hit my GoPro and I broke it. I just got this thing. Not too happy about that, but it is what it is. Hopefully it at least caught the footage. Finish this video with the gong shot. So I'm gonna take us on over there to the gong and we're gonna finish off with at least some noise. Let's do some fun. Let's have some fun. Not do some fun. Let's have some fun.